What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you're watching this video. I was just working in the garage, as you can see by my gloves and my work clothes, and the postman came up and handed me a box that I didn't know was going to come today. So I'm going to be doing a plant unboxing from petflytrap.com. I recently just found them while surfing on the web a few days ago, and I decided to place an order. Now, I placed this order this past Sunday around midnight. It's Friday. I placed it Sunday. They shipped it on Wednesday because their shipping days are Mondays and Wednesdays. And now it's Friday and the plants are here already. It's a pretty big box, and I'm expecting another box. I was actually in the garage working on my carnivorous plant soil because I'm getting ready to film that video for you guys, and luckily the plants came at the same time. So let's get into this box. Being very careful because I don't know. I love this. First off, when I ship products, I always make sure to include my invoice with the order. Cover up my address there. So I ordered one Sarracenia alata, one Sarracenia lucifolia, one Sarracenia Purpurea, subspecies Vanozza, this Purpurea Vanozza Red, a cross between a rubra and a Purpurea, Sarracenia excellens, and a Venus Flytrap. I thought I ordered more than that, but let's see. So there's a lot of packing material here. Get rid of all of this. I'm gonna have a big mess on my hands when I'm done here. Okay, so far looking good. Okay, so they come in plastic trash bag, which I will not throw away. I'll reuse it. Come on. There we go. So that's what in there looks like. And I ordered ooh, this looks good. I ordered a mix of small and large plants. So this is the Sarracenia Chalice, the cross between the rubra and the Purpurea. You can see it there. All right, let me take it out. It comes packaged really well. I like that the plant tag is on there. I'm pretty excited about these guys. I'm gonna be careful so I don't break any of the pictures. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Can you see that? Look. I paid, it doesn't have the prices on here. I think I paid about $15 for this. The soil is really nice. It's a really nice soil mix. I'll probably just be adding it to mine. Wow, this is nice. All right, so that's plant number one. Next up, we have the Sarracenia alata. Am I holding that right? Is that backwards? I don't know. Again, these things are packaged really, really well. Woo! This one is a little bit small. There aren't any pictures developed on it yet, but as soon as we get it into my soil mix, then I think it'll take off. This is the Sarracenia Purpurea Vanozza Red. Yeah, so oh! Almost destroyed it. Probably should have taken off these gloves. huge mess around these. This is nice. Purpureas are one of my favorite carnivorous plants. I love the purpureas. It's just so neat. So this is the Vanozza Red. These are actually really good sized plants. This is a Venus Flytrap Slim Snapper. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, look. A lot of Venus Flytraps hug the ground, but this one is pretty tall. Look at that. This is nice. Can you see those traps? Those are nice. And this soil mix is really great. Now, honestly, this is not the best time of year to be doing Venus flytraps or carnivorous plants, because once they start their active growing season, you really don't want to be disrupting their root systems because they are very, very delicate. But I really wanted to do this video for you guys, so I'm gonna exercise extreme caution, and when I do the video, I'll be sure to show you guys. This is the Sarracenia Purpurea subspecies Vanozza. Boom. Can you see it? Ooh. This is pretty. Look at that. Look at those traps. Woo! I do not regret purchasing from this company. Not in the least. This is certainly worth my money. Boom. I keep forgetting to hold my hand down. Oh, look at that. Can you see? Look. And there's a whole lot of smaller pictures at the bottom. But this is the Sarracenia lucifolia. That is a sexy plant. Lastly, we have a Sarracenia excellens very white. And when these things mature, and the traps mature and the pitchers mature, they'll take on a completely different look to them. So it's gonna be really awesome as over the years as we see this bog garden progress. And as we see these pitchers, these traps mature. Oh, I am not unboxing these things right. It is packaged really well. So that's all. This one is the Sarracenia excellens very white. You can see I'm still in my pajamas. But look, boom, that's nice. Can you see that? Let me give you a close-up on the table and show you everything that I got. Look at these guys. I mean, honestly. Whew. I am satisfied with these plants. You should feel absolutely no trepidation. You should not worry in any way, shape, or form about ordering from this company. I am super pleased. Thank you so much, petflytrap.com, for sending me such awesome plants. Well, I'm saying sending me like it was free. It wasn't free. I paid for these. But if anyone from petflytrap.com is watching and you want to send me free plants and you want to sponsor me, go ahead. You guys are awesome. These plants are awesome. So I finally have pretty much all the supplies that I need to start the bog garden. So I will be filming that video here very shortly, so stay tuned. for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you're subscribed with the notification bell on so that you don't miss the next episode in this series on the bog garden. Leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about these plants. Whew, that's nice. And I will see you in the next video.